Hi friends, welcome to another episode of my channel Divine Surge. So today I am not going to talk about any restaurant, neither I am going to take you for any tour. So instead I am going to talk about a very important topic which is very important for travelers like me. So I'm sure most of you might have faced this problem very often, that when you have to go for a long vacation, you have to keep your flower plants alone at home. So if there is nobody at home to take care of your flower plants, by the time you come back from your vacation, the plants will die, right? So but that is a history now. I have built a system by which your mobile phone or Alexa can give water to your flower plants. So stay tuned in this video till the end, and I'll be showing you step-by-step guides how to make an automated flower watering system with the help of just few things, right? So before that, I'm going to give you a small tour of my small garden. I stay in an apartment, so I have a very small garden, so I want to show you guys that particular garden. And after that, I'm going to tell you what you need to purchase, from where you need to purchase, and how much it will cost you to build an automated flower watering system. Let's go. Alright, so that was the small tour of my small beautiful garden. So after that, I'm going to tell you guys what you need to purchase to start making the automated flower watering system. The first thing which you need to purchase is a solenoid valve, which is easily available on Amazon or Flipkart. The second thing you need to purchase is one Wi-Fi socket. And the third thing which you need to purchase is few PVC pipe. So only three things, just remember it: the solenoid valve, the Wi-Fi socket, and few PVC pipe. That's all what you need to purchase to build one automated flower watering system. So let's learn how to make that system. Come along with me. So this is the Wi-Fi socket which you need to purchase for the power supply. So this would be connected to your home Wi-Fi network, and you can easily purchase it from Amazon or Flipkart. So it will cost you almost 800 to 1000 rupees, and the power supply to the solenoid valve needs to go from this particular Wi-Fi socket. So this needs to be put it on your power supply, so we'll just put it there, right? And after that, this is the wire which is actually getting connected to the solenoid valve. So this is how a solenoid valve look like. So this is the valve which is connected to the water connection. So this is the water connection. I have connected it to the solenoid valve, and the valve is an electric valve, so that is connected to the Wi-Fi socket. And after that, I have connected it through the PVC pipe, and as you can see, the entire PVC pipe I have brought it to near to the water plants. And from here, as you can see, I have connected few loose plastic pipes, and I have put it over the flower pots, all these plastic pipes. So it will go and it will lie on each and every flower pot. And what next you need to do, you need to make some small holes on each of these plastic pipes, and through those holes the water will come out, and it will water your flower plants. Similarly, like I have done it for the other side also. So here also, this is a big plant actually. So for this particular plant, what I have done, again I have put it over here, this plastic pipe, made some holes on this plastic pipe and closed the ending of that plastic pipe. Alright, so what basically will happen, as soon as you power on this solenoid valve, the valve will open and it will allow the water to flow through the pipes, and it will give the water to all the flower plants. So we have to just control the power which comes to this particular solenoid valve through that Wi-Fi socket. You have to keep the water outlet open all the time, and the solenoid valve will put a barrier, and it will not allow the water to go out from these pipes unless you turn on the switch for this valve. So this is the basic structure of this particular solenoid valve, and after that I will show you in the mobile app how you need to configure it. Let's go. Okay, so this is your mobile screen, and here you need to install one app called Smart Life. So this is the app, and if you open the app, you can add multiple Wi-Fi sockets, lights to this particular app. So as you can see, I have connected my Wi-Fi lights over here, and also I have connected what you can see, the smart water. That's the Wi-Fi socket. So I have not yet turned on the Wi-Fi socket yet. So if I just turned on the switch, as you can see, it will get connected to the Wi-Fi connection, and after that, see, now it's got connected. You just need to open it here, and as soon as you press the button, the valve will start operating. Okay friends, so let's see a live demo of watering it. So this is my phone, and this is the app, what you can see here. So if I just turned it on, so you can see that it will start watering all the flower plants. As you can see here, see, each and every flower is getting the water. I just need to show you a little bit closely, and as I turn it off, it will turn it off. So friends, wasn't it easy to build that automated flower watering system? Yes, it is easy to make. Just 3 things you need to purchase: that solenoid valve, the Wi-Fi socket, and the PVC pipe. You can do it by yourself. Alright, so I will give all the details in the description from where you can purchase these products. It is available in the Amazon and Flipkart, and it will cost altogether almost 2,500 rupees. And once you make it, just forget about watering your plants. Even if you have a bigger garden, you can still use the same technique to make that kind of automated flower watering system. Right, so I hope you have got some information, and please go ahead and make that system and go for your long vacation without worrying about your flower plants. I really appreciate you have given some time to know a little bit about this particular product or this particular system, and I hope it's going to help you out. I will meet you guys in my next video. Until then, take care, stay healthy. So one more thing which I'm going to tell you, that if you remembered in the beginning of the video, I said even if you have an Alexa, your Alexa can also control that automated flower watering system. So this piece of information for those viewers who stayed in this video till the end, and this is the bonus part. So the app which I had shown that to you, it is compatible with your Alexa. So if you have Amazon Alexa in your home, you can just connect that Alexa to that particular app. In the app itself, you have an option to connect to the Alexa. Once you connect, you can just tell your Alexa, like this. Alexa, turn on smart water. Alexa, turn off smart water. That's it, guys. So I will meet you guys in the next video of mine. Until then, stay blessed. Bye bye.